Drive your resume to the top by using the Career model. It is challenging trying to land job offers in a highly competitive job market, especially where companies are offering competitive salaries and highly sought-after benefits like remote work benefits, health and life insurance, vacation pay, paid training and development, investments, and other perks. The challenges are even greater for candidates seeking to pivot into a new industry where they are competing against other candidates that have more experience. You need to write a compelling resume where you stand out in a highly competitive field of candidates. The Career model, which stands for context, challenges, actions, and results, is a proven technique that puts your professional achievements, accomplishments, and awards on your resume that makes employers want to hire you. This method shows how well you performed, and you will be well ahead of your competition. The following is an explanation of the 4 elements of Career and how to use this format to create a dazzling resume. The 4 elements of Career. 1. Context. Describe the context. Begin by setting the stage for your story. Set out what organization you worked for and any relevant details, like its mission and size. Provide your official job title and the role you played. 2. Challenges. State the challenges. Explain the obstacles you worked to overcome. Your company faced rising costs due to postage increases, or your customers were asking to see evidence of sustainable environmental practices. 3. Actions. Chronicle your actions. Spell out precisely what you did to respond to the challenge. You could recount how you reorganized mailings to qualify for postal discounts or install more efficient lighting in your facilities. 4. Results. Report the results. Talk about the outcome and its impact on your company. Specify what you achieved in terms of cost savings, increased customer satisfaction, lower employee turnover, or similar measurements. Additional suggestions for using Career. 1. Tell a compelling story. Try reading your stories out loud to test how interesting they might sound to a recruiter. Make your language concise and vivid. 2. Develop multiple examples. If possible, include more than one career story for each position on your resume. Recruiters will usually read a resume slightly longer than 1 page if they see the qualifications they're looking for. 3. Draw on all your experiences. Sometimes other areas of your life can provide useful stories. In addition to your past jobs, think about what you've done through volunteer services, self-employment, or other activities. 4. Use numbers. Quantifying your contribution strengthens your credibility. Calculate how much money you helped to save or the percentage increase in sales you brought about. 5. Be specific. Paint a clear picture throughout your story. Details and particulars are more convincing than generalities. 6. Remain relevant. Read vacancy announcements carefully so you can tailor the stories you use to each opening. You may wish to emphasize different aspects of your background depending on the circumstances. 7. Start with the recent past. Stick to the last 10 years of your work history for the most part. If you have something from farther back that you want to cite, mention it in your cover letter. 8. Focus your job search. If you get stumped when you try to come up with relevant career stories for a particular job, it could be a warning sign. When your qualifications are a good match for the opening, the process is usually easier. 9. Highlight awards and recognition. Recognition by others is another strong selling point. List any awards you receive or cite positive media references to your work. 10. Include your education and training. You can also integrate your education and training into your career stories. Show how your degree in economics or fluency in Russian enabled you to get the desired results. Career is recommended by the Office of Personnel Management, so you want to master the format if you plan to fill out a job application for the federal government. Whatever your career goals, the model can also be adapted to improve your performance in any behavioral-based interview or employee evaluation. Here is an example of a career statement for a business management director position at XYZ Corporation during the COVID crises and large employee turnover. Led the department to financial results that exceeded average contribution by approximately 92 in 2020 and 2021. Received outstanding awards for years 2020 and 2021 for this effort. Motivated department to produce 100 of on-time new customer implementations in 2022. Results were 50 higher than the company average. Partnered with stakeholders, brokers and customers to increase revenues and profitability, retained 95 of customer base, leveraged customer loyalty to recognize upsell opportunities for existing customers and made sound financial decisions to attract quality new business. Find a career coach that will use Career to drive your career to the next level. You'll be glad you did. Let Career Transformation Solutions help you navigate your career by providing professional career coaching and resume writing services. Career Transformation Solutions can help you set career goals, identify your strengths and weaknesses and what value you offer employers. We can help you develop a career plan for your next move of climbing the career ladder. CTS will help you write your cover letter, resume, or CV and land your purpose-driven job or business and prepare for interviews. The resumes are ATS compliant. Get started now. Go to our website, cts.coach.